Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Meet camera not working. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check that your camera lens is not covered and that any physical webcam shutter is open. Make sure your webcam is firmly connected to the USB port and try plugging it into a different port. If you are using a laptop, restart the laptop lid once to re-trigger the internal camera. Close Google Meet and fully quit your browser so it is not running in the background. Open Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac and end any camera-related apps that may be using the webcam. Reopen your browser and go to Google Meet again to test the camera. In Google Meet, click the three dots, open Settings, and select the correct camera device in the video section. Also in Settings, make sure the selected microphone and speakers are correct so the meeting loads properly. Click the lock icon near the website address bar and open Site Settings or Permissions. Set camera permission to allow for Meet, Google.com, and then refresh the page. If you see a blocked camera icon in the address bar, click it and allow camera access. On Windows, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and turn camera access on. Still on Windows, enable Let Apps Access Your Camera and also enable Let Desktop Apps Access Your Camera. On Mac, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera, and enable access for your browser. On Chrome, type Chrome//settings/content/camera and choose your webcam as the default camera. On Edge, open Settings, Cookies and Site Permissions, Camera, and allow access for Google Meet. Disable any browser extensions that may block camera access, especially privacy or ad block extensions. Try opening Google Meet in an incognito or private window to test without extensions. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with camera permissions. Restart your computer to clear stuck camera drivers and release locked camera resources. If you use an external webcam, install or update the webcam driver from the manufacturer's website. Open the built-in camera app on your computer to confirm the webcam works outside the browser. If the camera app also fails, unplug the webcam, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. If you are on a work or school device, check if an administrator policy is blocking the camera. Switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox to quickly isolate a browser-specific issue. Check your antivirus or security suite settings and allow camera access for your browser. Lower the video resolution in Google Meet settings if the camera turns on but shows a black screen. Finally, sign out of your Google account and sign back in. Then rejoin the meeting to refresh permissions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.